Hello, I'm Sydney and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY kind of vibe vlog. I'm going to go to Sainsbury's, that's the first step on my list. Hopefully get some candles, do like the bendy candle thing that I've seen on Pinterest. This morning I've been listening to Pitch Perfect soundtrack, and if you haven't done that in a while, I definitely would recommend it. I was just literally like dancing. I didn't realise how like long some of the songs are. They only play like snippets of them on the movie, so if you want to proper jam out to the full songs, then I would definitely recommend that. I am buzzing about my outfit today. I thought I'm painting, I might as well wear dungarees because I feel like I'm going with the whole vibe. And then I've got a cherry jumper on. Maybe it's 90s, my hair. I'm scared to take these elastic bands out later. Yes, and the hoops 90s vibe. I've also been wearing this every day and it smells so good. It's the Sleepy Body Spray, Clouds of Dusky Tonka, Lavender and Lang Lang. Charm and bewitched with sweet nursery rhyme notes to help you sleep at night. I think you're supposed to like wear it when you sleep maybe because it's got lavender in and apparently that's supposed to help you sleep, but it just smells so yummy. It's from Lush. Oh, it's called Twilight. Oh, love it. Sainsbury's. It's like a half an hour walk and that's there and back, so that'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be good to get out, get some air, get some sunshine even though it's very cloudy, get some vitamin D through the clouds. And yeah, I want to try sushi. Oh my days, my taste buds are ridiculously childish and I really want to try and boost them a bit as I'm nearly 20, so I feel like I need to try sushi. So I'm going to try sushi, I'm going to try and get the long candles so I can do the bendy candle thing, and I'm going to paint my mirror.
I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money.
I'm back. I've been to Sainsbury's. It was a very lovely walk. I called my friend and it was really cute. So yes, what did I get? Oh, I'm going to start by saying I got this. I've been looking for one of these everywhere, obviously in Starbucks, and the one near me never had them. And there's a Sainsbury's attached, there's obviously a Sainsbury's attached, there is a Starbucks attached to the Sainsbury's, so I was like, oh, it looks pretty empty in there, maybe there'll be one in there. And there was, so I got me and my sister one. Very excited. I've got some cotton wool pads, which I really want to, I need to get the recyclable ones, like ones that the sustainable ones that you put in the wash, so I need to get them, but I just got these. This is going to be my last packet of these. I've got some, I haven't tried this, it is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing, it's open, oh no, Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleaner, bloody hell, Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleaning Cleaner, that could be a tongue twister. Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleaning Cleaner, oh I can't even do it. Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleaning Cleaner. Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleaning Cleaner. God, I sound like I have a list. Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleaning Cleaner. Clean and Clear. Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleaning Cleaner. I think that's right. Never mind if not. And then I got the pastel green lime candles for bending, and I'm going to bend them like, to try and copy Pinterest. Ooh, I also got some sushi, but that's in the fridge, and I also got flowers that my sister is going to hopefully arrange for me because she really enjoys doing that, so that'll be good. Jazz up my room a little bit, and I'm going to grab something to eat, maybe something to drink, some bit first, maybe a tea, and then I'll crack on with the mirror painting.
Sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change. The more they stay the same. Ooh, don't you hesitate. Girl, put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. Just go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. Blue as the sky. Those are the boys for you. Gotta love that afro hairdo. Maybe sometimes we feel the fade, but it's alright. The more you stay the same, the more things seem to change. Ooh, don't you think it's strange? Girl, put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. Just go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your head down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. 'Twas more than I could take.
So this is where I'm up to so far. I've just added whites, and I think I'm going to add like little details now, so that is what I'm going to do now, and I'll get back to you then. So I just finished painting it, and I'm actually quite happy with it. I'll show you. I think I'm quite happy with it. It looks pretty. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. I really like it. Oh, I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I'm gonna try the sushi. I'm actually ridiculous. I haven't even tried it, and I'm nearly 20 years old. So it's avocado maki. That's how you say it. I hope that's how you say it. Why am I nervous? My taste buds. I don't think I'm made up for this. Right, we're gonna do it. Stop the white. Okay. It's an avocado one. Oh dear. Why is this like a challenge to me? Right, come on, you got this. It's alright. It's like, all I can taste is avocado really. It's quite yummy. It's alright. I can't see myself ever craving it. I think I might go and give the others to my mother. So I've done the mirror, and I'm going to wait till that dries. I'm going to give these candles a go at bending them. God, I'm like a proper arts and craft girl today, aren't I? I'm loving it. Right, let's go do that.
You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow.
So I just tried to do the candles, and one snapped. So I think that's a no-go from me. I don't know, maybe I'll try and do it when we're out lockdown with my friends or something and see how you actually do it. I'm just confused because if the string bit was only at the top, then the candle wouldn't burn all the way down. So surely it can't be the string that's done that. It's probably me. I've probably done something, but yeah, that was a little bit of a fail, a lot of a fail. But yeah, never mind. The mirror still came out quite good. So yeah, I'm happy with that.
Little jealous, 'cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak vet with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming. All the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Colored out the lines, they can't define. My fire was fade with you. Heart it will stay with you. Fly great escapes with you.
I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed me painting and me breaking those candlesticks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.
You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow.